Hey friends, thanks so much for joining me today. We need to talk about how to maintain a grinding wheel on a bench grinder, or how to dress up a grinding wheel. So here we have our grinder. This one has a wild wheel. This one has a regular grinding stone, and you can see it's got a channel in it. Students have been using this and only focusing on one part of the grinding wheel. This is how a grinding wheel is supposed to look. You can see it's uniform all the way across. This is how a grinding wheel is supposed to look, uniform all the way across. The wheel is not supposed to look like this with that big channel in it. So we are going to grind a little bit with a wheel dresser. This is a dressing tool that we will grind on here, and we will take this dresser and go against here, move it back and forth, and this wheel will get back to a uniform shape. It'll be flat across. So we're going to turn on our grinder. Then I'm going to take this, set these feet flat down on this stop, and I'm going to take it back and forth until we get to a flat wheel here. It'll take a while because this side is really pronounced compared to that groove. So it'll take a little bit. I'll try to speed it up for us, and then we'll take a look at it after. Also, I'm going to bring this guard down, and so I don't have those sparks or any grit coming back up into my face. And I'd also recommend wearing a face shield when doing this. Okay, so we've got it done here. We've got the wheel back to a uniform shape here with the use of our dressing tool. And you can see it's getting pretty worn out now. And so I'll need to replace this, get some new ones. This is getting down there pretty far. But this is called dressing a wheel on a grinder. This is a dressing tool. So if you have a bench grinder, it's good to have one of these tools also, so you can shape up your wheel and get it back to functioning properly. All right, folks, so remember to work hard, because hard work is its own reward, and remember to maintain your tools so you can work hard. Thanks for watching.